So today we're gonna do an all red look. So join me, I'll be right back and we'll get started. Hi! Excuse my hair, it is very staticky, really dry. I tried a new red wash by Colorpop. And it really dried the shit out of my hair. I don't know if it really did much of anything, but it's the first time, so. Oh, by the way, I have my latte. Today, I have a long list to do, a long to-do list for myself, and I thought what better way than the home latte, which has like the best machine. So also, this Made for the Lake cup, this is not sponsored, is fabulous so far. It's the first time I'm trying it, and it's a thermos mug, as well as it's got a lid, which is really good for clumsy people like myself. I'm not too clumsy, but I have my moments. I am gonna try the Hit the Lights Morphe palette. Yee! And like, there are so many reds in this palette, so I'm really excited for that. I don't know the names, guys, so bear with me. It's on the plastic and it's just, Morphe, could you please write the names on the colors? I would really appreciate it. I mean, so these are like the 4 reds here. I mean, these are kind of burgundy, so I'm probably not going to use that, but I'm going to use, oh no. So we're gonna go in with that dark red. You can see that. And we're just gonna start in the crease. Ooh, this is a pretty red. Now, guys, these is beautiful. These pressed, I don't know if they're pressed, but these sparkle. What am I trying to say? These ones here. Oh my god, I keep doing it, guys. These ones are gorgeous. Like, guys, I'm sorry. Can you see this one? Oh, I think I just did it again. I did. Alright, Lauren, stop touching the palette. My gosh. That's pretty intense. I like it. We're going to go in with a little bit of a brighter red now. And we're going to, well, I thought it was brighter, but that's okay. And guys, I'm going to use a product today that I've been so excited. I got it in September, and I've kept it. I haven't opened it. And on the other eye, I'll be right back. Sephora Tinted Moisturizer, and we're gonna try a new brush that I got for Christmas from one of my good friends. Morphe, the 439 blender brush, which and then we'll go in with the foundation. Voila, guys, this is my finished skin. Now, if you look up close, now that it's dried, it looks a bit better, and I have concealer on, but I did pick up on some dry patches. The brush, the Morphe brush was good. I think I'm gonna have to play with it a bit more, and also I think my skin is in like desperate need of a self-care night, and some attention, so I think that's why, because usually this moisturizer goes on beautifully. So yeah, trial and error, you kind of have to play with it. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, so it is what it is. But anyways, I am going to go in now with my e.l.f. 202 brush. And I try to make it even on both sides, but sometimes it's not. I don't know how to work it out that way. And then if you ever honestly overblend, just take your brush and from your concealer and whatever's left on it, just use that. It honestly works. It saves me so many times. I don't know how many times it saved me. And there you have it so far. Alright. And then I'm so excited about this, guys. I finally was able to go to the States and get a few things that I know we don't have in Canada. Oh, I really wish that with the exchange rate and shipping it wouldn't be that much. But alas it is. So I went down to the States and I got Colorpop. This is my very first Colorpop purchase, and it is the Volumizing Mascara in Left on Red. And I thought this like literally sparked the idea, so I was really excited. And I don't want to tell latte break. I didn't even open it. Did you hear that click, guys? Ah, so excited. Guys, look at that. This is what I mean by doing something cool on your eyebrows. I'm gonna take this mascara. I'm gonna pray to God that I don't screw anything up. And we're going to use that on my eyebrows. I'm not as impressed as I honestly thought I was gonna be. I'm a little let down. It doesn't really do much at all. I don't know if I waited too long to use it and it dried out even though it wasn't open. Maybe it's just not a great mascara. Sorry, Colorpop. Yeah, that's really upsetting, but oh well. So what I'm gonna do instead is take my Anastasia 7B eyebrow brush, and we're gonna go in with some red eyeshadow. But let's finish this up and I'll be right back. So the eyebrows are done. The mascara is on. Maybe this is blending too much into the red eyeshadow, but I also said screw it and I put the red lip liner, I might regret that later, on my eyes. And don't worry, I cleaned it off beforehand. Kind of. Okay. Some bronzer, and this is my tried and true, and adding some color back to my face. Another thing about the mascara that I'm noticing, it could be that it's dry and I waited too long, but it's, I don't know, there's a lot of clumps that fall out of it. Not loving that. You tried Colorpop. Because this is an all red look, I'm going in. I'm going in on my cheeks with a little bit of red. I'm doing it. But it's like a pinkish red. So we're gonna go in with like that mauve color on the bottom. Oh god. I might have. I also have something else I want to put over it. This is not working out entirely as planned, but it is what it is, and you roll with it. It is Cherry Bomb by Frank Body lip tint, but you can use it on your eyes and your lips and your cheeks. And I noticed that it's very hard when you first take it out, but if you work with it like this and just kind of warm it up, it does kind of become pliable too. Just, it smells really good. It just does take a little bit of effort to take out. And then you just kind of put it everywhere. And it's a nice little tint of color. Oh, I went a little too ham. And what else do we need? Highlight. We're gonna go in with the Peppermint Frost and Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Like, all right, so we're gonna go in with the Ugly Sweater. This one here. Oh yeah. She also has a ton of payback. Like, oof, she's sparkling. Anyways, okay, so then we're gonna go in red lips. I'll be right back, guys, with the finished look. And there we have it, guys. So this didn't go as planned, but I actually really like this look. My lashes probably aren't as bold as I wanted them to be. Some products I was a little disappointed in. But we'll play and we'll see how I can make it work, I guess you could say. And by the way, I finished off my look with the Morphe Jeffree Star. Can you tell I like Jeffree Star? Starberry setting spray, and I use this very rarely because it smells freaking fantastic, and this stuff is so good, and like I just want to hold on to it. Close up of the look, a little blown out on the side. Again, as I said in the beginning, this is not your everyday look, but to be honest, I'd probably go out like this. I mean, I really don't have any shame, but and like it took me close to an hour to do all of this, but I really like how it turned out. There's a few things that I would probably accentuate a little bit more, but yeah, I really enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you guys like this kind of pointless, kind of not look today. Anyways,